Welcome back to our YouTube channel Aman Codes. In today's episode, we are going to discuss about DICT data type combinations with respect to list, tuple, and set. We have some the list combinations, we have some tuple combinations, we have some set combinations, right? So the combinations of this tuple, list, set along with this DICT data type. So combinations with respect to list. See, we have list in list. This list in list we have completed in inner list or nested list, right? So we have completed this tuple in list also in this list combinations. We have completed set in list in set combinations. So we have to complete this dict in list combinations with respect to tuple. In this we have list in tuple we have seen in tuple combinations. Tuple in tuple, we have seen in inner tuple or nested tuple combinations. Set in tuple, we have seen this combination on set combinations, right? So we have to see what is dict in tuple. So the third combinations with respect to set. So list in set, we have completed this in set combinations. Tuple in set also we have completed in this set combinations. Set in set also completed in these set combinations in the sense inner set or nested set, right? So we have to see what is dict in set. Combinations with respect to dict is, we have to see these all four combinations. They are list in dict, tuple in dict, set in dict, and dict in dict. We have to complete these four combinations along with dict in set, dict in tuple, dict in list. Then we are going to complete these combinations of dict with respect to list, tuple, and set. Inner or nested dict, right? So here, if we go this inner or nested dict in the sense dict in dict. So declaring one dict inside another dict is known as inner or nested dict. So let's try to define this dict in practical. Now I'm opening my Python command prompt. See here. So this is my dict object D1. So here I have declared like this. See here. So this is my outer dict. This is my one inner dict and this is my another inner dict. So see here, I am declaring student number 10, name Rosam. His mid marks are in C marks he got 35 out of 40. In C++ he got 37 out of 40. The semester marks of student Rosam is C marks 89 out of 100, C++ 78 out of 100. C name, college name is JNTU. So I have taken two inner dictionaries. One is for mid marks, another is for sem marks, right? So here this serial number, name, mid marks, sem marks, and this C name. This all comes under values of key. So these all comes under values of values. So we can perform all predefined functions that present in dict object. So how to retrieve this 35? I'm going to show you. Here D1 is my dict object of that is mid marks, right? Mid marks is key value. In that I want to retrieve the marks of C marks. So if I try to execute this, then we get 35 as a result. See here, I have used here small m, right? So that is the reason it throws an error. See here, 35 has been retrieved, right? I'm going to update the 35 into 39. I'm going to update that 35 to 39. See here, and I'm going to access D1 here. So CMAX has been updated to 39, right? Previously we have 35. 35 has been updated to 39. So in dict, we can perform all 10 operations that present in dict data type. So the next combination is set in dict. Let's see set in dict. In the sense, in dict, we are going to declare set. So this is my D1 object for this. This is my inner set. This is my another inner set. This is my outer dict. So see here, this is serial number, the value of key which comes under int class, and this SNO which present in class dict, right? So same, so this is the mid marks, right? This mid marks comes under class set in the sense here SNO contains integer value. Here mid max contains set value, right? So mid marks comes under class set which present in class dict, right? So same like this, some marks which comes under class set which present in class dict, right? So these represents a set in dict. So we can apply the set predefined functions on this inner set and this inner set. We can apply the dict predefined functions on this outer dict element only. So in order to retrieve the mid marks, I'm going to do like this d1 dot. So d1 is my object. Get of function is going to retrieve the value of value. See here, I want to get my mid marks. For this value of key, I want value of value. See here. So this is my value of value. So we can retrieve mid marks the same way we can retrieve sum marks also. See here. So in order to add an element to this mid marks, I have to do like this d1 dot get of d1 dot get of in the sense this all will be taken. So for this set, I have to add element called 40. See here, if I try to access d1, so 40 has been added to that set, right? So set does not maintain insertion order. That is the reason it has added anywhere in the set. So if I want to add like this, see here, I want to add this 40 into my SM. See here, so if I try to access D1, so previously this SM contains these two values only. After executing this statement, the 40 has been added to SM, right? So by this, we can perform the predefined functions of set and predefined functions of dict. So this is all about set in dict. This is completed. So next we have to declare tuple in dict. See here, now I'm taking my same D1. This is my D1. For this D1, inside this I'm going to declare tuple. So SNO value of value comes under class int and this SNO present in class dict, right? So same like here mid marks comes under class tuple. Mid marks stores the values in the form of tuple and this mid marks present in class dict, right? So that is the reason it specifies tuple in dict. So for same marks also same tuple in dict, right? So by this way we can create tuple in dict. So in order to retrieve my sem marks, I have to do d1 dot get of sm. See here, I am retrieving my sem marks, right? So in order to do with that mid marks, I have to do like this See, mid marks has been retrieved. So by this way, we can define tuple in dict, right? So this is all about tuple in dict. So the tuple in dict is also completed. So the next thing is list in dict. So how we can declare a list in dict? See here, I'm taking my same D1. In the place of tuple, I'm going to use here notations of list. See here, list. And here also I'm using list and here also I'm using list, right? So I'm using the same for loop in order to print like this. See S number which comes under class int which is present in class dict, right? So here mid marks are stored in the form of list. See here mid marks comes under class list, mid marks present in class dict, right? So same like same marks. So these tells list in dict, right? So we can perform all the predefined functions that are present in list. We can perform all the predefined functions that are present in dict. In order to retrieve my same marks, I want to use d1 dot get of sm. I want to append a value called 67 to my mid marks key value. See here, this is my mid marks. I want to append 67. If I try to access D1, see mid marks 67 has added after 37, right? So we can append an element. We can remove an element. See here, if I try to access D1, so whatever I added here, I have removed here. So 67 has been removed, right? So like this, we can use predefined functions on list and predefined functions on dict. So by this way, we can declare list in dict, right? So this list in dict is also completed. So we have to know how dict in dict is declared, how set in declared, and in this we can use predefined functions of this dict or not. These things are important. In today's episode, we have completed the combinations with respect to DICT. That's all for today's video. I hope you all understand. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Aman Coach. Thank you so much for watching.